So this is Rio Monte Valley under Ayala Premier. And may i-check tayong vacant lot na available dito. Around 500 square meters and around 40,000 per square meter. If you are interested, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So let's go and check this out. Yan. So ayan yung pinakamuhon niya. And then hanggang dito siya sa kabila. So this is around 43,000 per square meter. And this is a high-end development by Ayala Premier. Underground po ang utilities natin dito. Water and electric. So ayan po yung kabilang dulo niya. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Kung mapapansin ninyo, underground ang utilities dito. Water and electric. And then malalapad yung kalsada, not only the main road pati yung secondary road. And aspalto po siya. Ganyan po pag high-end ang subdivision. So for me, I can consider a subdivision a high-end pag ganyan po siya. And marami na rin nakatira dito sa may Rio Monte. And mataas ang elevation dito. Nasa 200 meters tayo above sea level. So never po nababahain dito. So again, if you are interested and if you're looking for affordable Ayala Premier properties here in Nuvali, please message us directly. This is below market value at around 40,000 per square meter. And ang current market value for high-end or Ayala Premier projects dito na mga pre-selling is nasa 60,000 per square meter na. So if you are cash buyer or have ready funds, might as well consider foreclosed properties at malaki po ang masisave natin. So message us directly if you are interested. That's Miriam College. Oh.
The passenger is already within the control of the carrier for transportation. So naturally, that is the start of the duty to exercise due diligence. Kung medyo nasa control na yung passenger and goods, then due diligence or extraordinary diligence must be exercised over the cargoes as well as the passenger, as the case may be. Now, but as to the question up to when extraordinary diligence must be exercised, exercise of extraordinary diligence. You will be injured while in that state, embarking. Okay. In the same manner, if you are already disembarking, nasa estribo ka, pababa ka dun sa bus or sa jeepney,